Hello everyone, if you want to create Word documents and use spreadsheets on your computer or don't want to pay for Microsoft Office, I recommend that you use Open Office, which is compatible with Microsoft Office documents and spreadsheets, and access Microsoft documents on your computer free of charge. It's free and safe to use. Let's get started. Down to Google, type in Open Office. This is Apache Open Office here. Let's click on download. We're going to go with the default installation here, download full installation. Click on I accept and the download will start shortly. Once the download has started, we're using Google Chrome here and the download is down the bottom left hand corner. Click on the arrow and click on open when done. Okay, so the download is now complete. Let's click on next. We'll just go with the default installation. Click on install. To finish off the installation, click on next. Click on next. We want the complete installation. We want a desktop link as well, so click on install. Okay, click on finish. Open Office is now installed onto our computer. We've got a little desktop icon down here. Let's double click onto it and take a closer look. So this is just a one-off setup again, so click on next. And you can put your details in, but we're just going to click on finish. And here we go. So within Open Office we've got text documents, which are the equivalent of Word documents. We've got spreadsheets, which is the equivalent of Microsoft Excel. We've also got presentations, drawings, database, other tools as well, but I'm guessing most of you want to use it for Word documents and for spreadsheets. So let's click on text documents. And it opens up. It may look a little bit dated, but it's very similar to Microsoft Word. All your formatting features over here, and your letter gets written over here. And the beauty of it is that it's compatible with Microsoft Word. If you wanted to open up a Word document on your computer, then use Open Office and you'll be able to access your Microsoft Office document within Open Office. And you've got all these options up here as well. So take time to go through them, familiarise yourself with the tools. Also we've got spreadsheets. Again, this is compatible with Microsoft Excel. Your formatting options are over here. I'm guessing that you're familiar with Excel. If not, then take a look at other YouTube videos and familiarise yourself with Excel.